To get started with Azure Synapse PowerShell, you need to have Azure PowerShell installed on your machine. Azure Synapse is a limitless analytics service that brings enterprise data warehousing and big data analytics together. First, install the Azure PowerShell module by running the command install module Azure Synapse. This will download and install the necessary components to manage Azure Synapse resources using PowerShell. Next, import the Azure Synapse module by running the command import module Azure Synapse. This will load the module into your current PowerShell session. To connect to Azure Synapse, you need to use the command connect as account. This will prompt you to enter your Azure credentials and authenticate your session. Once connected, you can create a new Azure Synapse workspace by using the command new as Synapse workspace. This will create a new workspace with the specified name and location. You can then create a new Azure Synapse SQL pool by using the command new as Synapse SQL pool. This will create a new SQL pool with the specified name and performance level. To manage Azure Synapse resources, you can use various CMDlets such as get as Synapse workspace to get a list of all workspaces. Get as Synapse SQL pool to get a list of all SQL pools. And remove as Synapse workspace to delete a workspace. Best practices for using Azure Synapse PowerShell include using the correct authentication method, handling errors and exceptions, and using the latest version of the Azure PowerShell module. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently manage your Azure Synapse resources using PowerShell and take advantage of the powerful features and capabilities of Azure Synapse. Remember to always keep your Azure PowerShell module up to date to ensure you have the latest features and security updates. With Azure Synapse PowerShell, you can automate and streamline your Azure Synapse workflows and focus on getting insights from your data.